In this video, I would like to share with you a non-traditional strategy for multiplying whole numbers. Would you like to amaze your friends and family by being able to multiply by a two-digit number without showing the work and just going right to the answer? Watch this video, you will amaze yourself and be able to amaze others. Example 1. Let's take 12 times 34. First, determine number of places you need to determine in your answer. This is largest place value times largest place value. Tens times tens, which is hundreds. Draw 3 lines in the answer. You could also count the number of digits in your problem, and your answer will have 1 less place. 4 digits, hence 3 digits in your answer. Second, determine the number of ones in your answer. Ones digit times ones digit. So we take 2 times 4, which is 8. Place 8 in the ones place of the answer. Third, determine the number of tens in your answer. This will be ones digit times tens digits and tens digits times ones digits plus any regroup. So here we go. Ones times tens, 2 times 3 is 6. Tens times ones, 1 times 4 is 4. Any regroup? No regroup. Add, we get 10. So now we place a 0 in the answer and regroup the 1 to the hundreds place. Fourth, determine the number of hundreds in your answer. This will be ones digit times hundreds digits, tens digit times tens digit, plus any regroup. So ones times hundreds is 2 times 0 because there's nothing in the hundreds, plus 1 times 3, which is 3, plus regroup of 1, we get 4. Place 4 in the hundreds place of your answer, and we are done. So this answer is 408. Example 2, let's take 24 times 256. First, determine number of places you need to determine in your answer. This is largest place value times largest place value. So in this case, it's tens times hundreds or thousands. Draw 4 lines in your answer. You could also count the number of digits in your problem, and your answer will have 1 less. There's 5 digits, hence 4 digits in answer. Second, determine the number of ones in your answer. Ones digit times ones digit. So we take 4 times 6 is 24. Place 4 in the ones place of the answer and regroup the 2 to the tens place. Third, determine the number of tens in your answer. This will be ones times tens, tens times ones, plus any regroup. So ones times tens, 4 times 5 is 20. 2 times 6 is 12. Regroup of 2. Add this up, we end up with 34. So now we write a 4 in the answer, regroup a 3 to the hundreds. Next, determine the number of hundreds in your answer. Ones times hundreds will be 8. Tens times tens will be 10. Plus regroup of 3, we end up with 21. Place 1 in the hundreds place of the answer, regroup 2 to the thousands place. Fifth, determine number of thousands. This time we take ones times thousands, tens times hundreds, plus regroup. Ones times thousands, be 4 times nothing, which is 0. 2 times 2, which is 4. Plus the 2, we get 6. So now we just write 6 in the thousands place of the answer, and we're done. 6,144. Example 3. This time, 2 times 5 is 10. Write the 0 in the ones place of the answer, regroup 1. Next, 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. 6 plus 15 is 21, plus the regroup of 1 is 22. Write 2 in the tens place of the answer and regroup 2 to the hundreds. Okay, now we're going to figure out hundreds. 0 plus 9 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So this time we get 11, and we just 1100s would be the same thing as 1100. So your final answer is 1120. The part in white will be done in your head. So example 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Place 8 in the answer. Next, 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. 12 plus 10 is 22. Write the 2 in the answer, regroup 2. Next, we want to get hundreds. So we're going to take 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. 16 and 15 is 31, plus the 2 is 33. Write the 3 in the answer, regroup 3. Now we want to get thousands. So we take 4 times thousands, which is 0. 5 times 4, which is 20. So we end up with 23 for our thousands. So this is 23,328. To learn more about this strategy and other multiplication strategies, get detailed explanations, additional examples, and practice problems, go to Mason's Amazing Math on Teachers Pay Teachers website. Enter Book 1, Chapter 9 in the search box. Download Book 1, Chapter 9 ebook pages for $1. You'll be amazed at what $1 will buy you. I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you found it informative and intriguing, and that you will give it a fair shot at trying to multiply by a 2-digit number mentally to impress yourself and your friends. Thank you.